Hello. Yes, you. Hello. How are you? Unjani. How are you? So today I gave a friend a call, right? I said, friend, how are you? He said, I'm okay. I said, oh, how are you? Not on the surface. Unjani la. Unjani. We wake up with so much anxiety. Something needs to be done. I don't know what it is. Something needs to be done. I don't know what it is. We are just floating. We are not in the moment. We are not present. Some rebooting needs to be done. Depression is real, guys. Depression is real, guys. I will count a few things so that people don't think depression is only about being unemployed, being abused, being poor, being broke. It's a lot of things. Depression is a spiritual thing. You can have all the monies in the world, all the fame in the world, all the successes in the world, all the degrees in the world, but still depression will find you and attack you. We need to dissect it. We need to find it and find it for what it is. Fear, we need to find it. Hopelessness, we need to find all those things. But you must know it's not only your battle. You're not the only one. I myself, I count myself in that group. Unzima, but ubunzima bethu abufani. Just know that I could speak from a place of privilege in the sense that I can afford certain things, but I also have the same struggle because the more, when they say the more money you have, the more troubles you see or the more problems you see, that's true. But let's not materialize it, let's spiritualize it. We need to fight it. Every day must be a fight. People are unaliving themselves. I will never judge anyone who does that because I will never understand what it feels like to be in that space. But if you're watching this video is for you. You still have a fighting chance. You still have a fighting chance. That's all I wanted to say. That's the message. You still have a fighting chance. And when you comment here, don't tell me what your problem is. I hope what you need to do is agree to say, I still have a fighting chance, because we don't realize that the more we speak about, or we have in our heads what our problem is, we are escalating the problem, because you must remember you are dealing with a spiritual thing, that what is fighting against you gets the confirmation that what they are doing to you is working. So try not to say, I am suffering from. No, I have a challenge of this and I still have a fighting chance. That's what I want you to do. You still have a fighting chance. That is the tagline. When you wake up in the morning, just say, I still have a fighting chance. Like me right now, you have no idea what this does to me. It also heals me because I am not giving it the power that it does not deserve. I still have a fighting chance. I love you. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful Tuesday.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. I actually love this video that Somizi actually did, speaking out for the very first time regarding mental health and depression, you guys. And I definitely have to applaud him for voicing out his opinion, because a lot of people in South Africa are suffering through, like, going through depression, and most of them do not even know that they're going through depression. You guys, one thing about depression, people tend to think that when you're going through depression, you're going through it because maybe you have something that's on your mind, maybe you have problems. Let me tell you something, babes. Depression, going through depression doesn't necessarily mean that you going through financial struggles and stuff. I mean, even rich people such as Dumizi, like he says, can go through that. I have learned that depression and mental health is actually a chemical imbalance. It is really a true illness, you guys, and a lot of people actually need help. They need to go to psychiatrists to have themselves checked up, because I know a lot of people who went through like mental health issues without them even knowing it, you guys. And Sumisi says that as much as he is rich, he has the resources for himself to help himself to attend like therapies and stuff like that. He says that's the only privilege that he has. He says that depression can even enter, can rich people do go through depression the same as broke people do go through depression. I think in this video he's trying to educate South Africans that depression is not a white illness, you guys. And I definitely loved this message that he did. He has said it all, you guys. What do you guys think about this whole issue? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, of course, to make sure that you do share this video. And if you know someone or suspect that someone that you that's close to you might be going through depression, please do make sure that you assist them by maybe getting them to the hospital or clinics so that they can be able to get help, because without medication, proper medication, of course, therapy, they might not make it, unfortunately, because it will lead to them unaliving themselves, you guys. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video.